All right, what's going on, tycoons? I'm super excited for today's video. I am going to be showing you guys Victoria VR. Okay, I really like this one a lot. And I'll just kind of, if you want to deep dive, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But for right now, I'm just going to go into one of the main things I like them. So immerse yourself in the world's first realistic metaverse, right? The first ever fully immersive virtual world giving citizens no limits, realistic, and boundless experience. Your place to go for work, rest, and play. All right. So using the world's leading 3D rendering software from Unreal Engine, we will create the best user experience, allowing you to design, create, build, and trade in a metaverse that is constantly evolving. The Unreal Engine is very good. It is the world's leading 3D rendering software. And so basically they can scan stuff and then upload it to the Victoria VR metaverse. And as you can see in the screenshot here, it does not look like Roblox or Minecraft or, Decentraland, right? It's not those cheesy JPEG pixelations, okay? So some of the key highlights are you'll be able to play games and complete quests, buy and sell goods and services, attend classes and lectures, visit virtual galleries, watch sporting events, create your own games and quests, explore a world full of adventures and user content, and then you get rewarded for everything you do. So Victoria VR is introducing a cutting edge realistic reality which will attract a broad audience across diverse range of sectors, including realtors, businesses, concert agencies, event organizers, healthcare providers, artists, coaches, advertising, educators, all kinds of industries. Okay. And the reason they're going to be doing this is because it looks so real. So coaches are going to be able to create a VR world that looks realistic. And, let's say if they're a soccer coach, a basketball coach, a football coach, right? Your team can put on the headsets, right? And or whatever, to get into this, virtual reality world. And, you'll be able to experience things with them, with the coaches, and they can teach you things, or artists, right? So artists can now either create online in the Victoria VR metaverse, or they can upload their stuff to the metaverse. All right. Realtors, businesses, it really will attract all of these things because of the broad range of things that the Victoria VR metaverse will be able to do. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and look at the chart real quick. So we're looking on TradingView, free trading platform. All right. And we have our support and resistance drawn up. Okay, so if you guys need a video kind of explaining to you how to draw support and resistance, you can go ahead and click this click the top right corner. I got a video there on how to do support and resistance. The main thing I want to show you guys is how much up this thing went since it was listed on KuCoin. All right, so this was the KuCoin listing date. All right, and at its current price that it's at right now, it's up over 3,900%. Okay. At its highs, it went up over 5,000%. All right. Now crypto has been selling off very hard, as we all know. Bitcoin, had its flash crash and things, and a lot of people have been panicking. But if you look at Victoria, okay, let's say from its all-time highs down to here, drop about 27%. Okay. So we've already had a nice healthy drop on Victoria, but we could drop more. Okay. Especially if crypto ends up, falling, and Bitcoin goes lower and Bitcoin continues to fall, then you could see Victoria VR fall more. But our major support levels are going to be 42 cents, 37 cents, and 30 cents. Okay. I think that we will be able to maintain all of these, stay above here because it has not gone below here. I mean, it wicked down a couple times right here down to 28 cents. But since its initial KuCoin listing, it hasn't been able to go below 30 and stay below 30. All right. So look for it to bounce off of 42 cents. It's currently trying to recover. We have what's known as a double bottom right here. So we have a bottom and double bottom. And that's a bullish indicator. And if you see here, it is kind of a slightly green on the 4-hour chart right here now. So anyways, that's basically just what I wanted to cover. I really like Victoria and the VR, the Victoria VR Metaverse. I think you guys should too. Of course, do your own research. Get in at, I think if you can get in between like 42 cents and 30 cents, those are excellent, excellent long-term positions. But I wouldn't mind if you bought now and just held, for another year. They're going to be launching their game in Q2 of 2022. So expect to see a big surge in the second quarter of 2022. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to join the Discord where you can gain access to all of our callouts, which is basically stock callouts, option callouts, and crypto callouts, because we trade it all, then you can use the link in the description. Use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and you will get yourself a discount on the membership. Okay.